We interrupt your Xbox One game now as information regarding a possible nuclear strike has been received. Please remain calm, ensure your device is audible and stand by for further information. We interrupt your Xbox One game now as information regarding a possible nuclear strike has been received. Please remain calm, ensure your device is audible and stand by for further information. This message is transmitted at the request of the United States Office of Civil Defense. At 3:40 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, NORAD detected a long-range nuclear missile launch in North Korea. This missile is believed to be headed in the direction of the Los Angeles metropolitan area. It is believed that it will impact this area within the next 1.5 to 2 hours. All residents within a 400-mile radius of this area should seek a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a product of nuclear attacks. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in certain death. Fallout spreads across large areas approximately 1 minute after impact. If you cannot find a fallout shelter in your area, local authorities will lead you to one. Take a battery-powered radio and all essential supplies with you to a fallout shelter. Tune to 770 AM on your radio for emergency information while in a fallout shelter. Sheltering in place is not advised, as your survival cannot be ensured. In that scenario, President Trump will be speaking on all television and radio stations shortly. All television and radio stations in the United States will now cease their regular programming to carry this special message from the president and to report on the news for this incident. Normal gameplay has been temporarily suspended until further notice. It is free. You advised to turn off your Xbox One console until this emergency has been lifted off. You may turn on your console again until this incident is over. We would like to apologize for this urgent detail. Please turn off your console now. Martial law is now in effect.